Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Monday, December 13. I just got a notification on my phone that ideas just have arrived. This is my December glovebox subscription. This is the first time I get one of these. They're saying that the product that comes here is worth it up to 90 to 100 bucks, and you pay 30 bucks each month for the subscription, plus the shipping. You're actually gonna be paying like $42. So with that said, guys, we're gonna go inside in the house and open this to see what we got. Okay guys, we are back inside in the house. We're gonna open this beauty to see what we got. This December box. It's my first time doing this, so we're gonna see, maybe we got some good products that we can test. I like the packaging, guys. First thing you get is December Deluxe step by step. This is a thank you card with a lot of cute barcodes that you can scan on your phone. So now we're gonna get into it. First thing you're gonna get is a Christmas ball for your Christmas tree. This is nice. I think I'm gonna be putting it on my Christmas tree or maybe in my car for these Christmas times. Second thing is gonna be a microfiber. This is nice, like the texture of it. This is, I think you can use this for your windows. I like it. I'm gonna be testing this on my windows. Now you're gonna get an Adams. This is a medium brush, I believe. Wheel brush from Adams. I like the ergonomics on this. Oh my god, this is better than the ones that I have. I like it. Second thing, what is this? I think this is just a spray bottle, or maybe you can use it with your phone. Multi TR1. You guys can see right there. This one is hard plastic. I like it. You got two spray nozzles. Maybe you can put one of these here. I think this one is for this. And this one, I believe you have, I think this is a foam nozzle. We're gonna be testing this, but I'm pretty sure that this one is gonna be your foam nozzle. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but it says open and close. This is nice, guys. You can put some degreaser, and instead of putting it straight all liquid, you can put it in here, I believe, and you're gonna get some foam. Plus this I like this. I don't know what's the price on it, but I like it. You have the dilution or the grace that you can put. You have it in two different measurements, if you want to say it. I believe this is 1 liter. Let me see. Yes, this is up to 1 liter. You can see it right there. I like this. I'm gonna be using this a lot. Now for the chemicals. Let's see what we got. Extra Talk Clean Degreaser. You guys can see this. I don't know if you guys used this before. This is the first time I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube about this. For what I've seen is good. I'm gonna be testing on my tires. I feel that everything they send me is more for like tire cleaners. Now we're gonna open the last one. Ooh, you see? This is a VVASH Premium Auto Care Premium Glass Cleaner. Let me see, glass cleaner. It says apply 1 to 2 spray of glass cleaner approximately 6 to 12 inches from glass. For difficult areas, spray onto VVASH Auto Car Care glass towel. I believe it's this. Oh, sorry guys. I believe this is the towel that they're talking about. Use a VVASH Auto Care Cloud Microfiber Towel to wipe glass clean, leave glass streak free. Make sure glass is clean and enjoy streak free glass. I'm gonna be testing this. Oh, I get it now. So this is for this and this is for this. So I believe this one you're gonna be putting it here and make your dilutions, whatever you want. And also you're gonna be using this. So these three are gonna go together for your tires. And this, I think that's all we got. You guys can see. Let me put this on the side. And this you're gonna put it on here and you're gonna be using your towel. So we got like 5 different products, maybe 6 if you want to count this. Plus you get the Christmas bowl. This is nice, I like this. Your December Deluxe step-by-step guide. Extra towel multi-purpose cleaner, which is this. VVASH premium glass, this one. Number 3, glove box, ornament, and hang it from your mirror, your Christmas tree. They're talking about this. And remember, clean, dry, repeat. So, oh, it shows you right here all the prices of what they're sending you. So let me see. This one they're saying is 15 bucks. The IQ bottle 16 bucks. Adam's polish. This one is 20 bucks. I believe this one is the expensive out of all. VVASH premium glass cleaner. This one is where at 14 bucks. Glovebox waffle towel, $2. This one right here. The holiday ornament, $5. And Glovebox 3 inches vinyl sticker. Oh, I have to see, where is that? I don't know. I think I didn't get that one. Yeah, I didn't get the sticker, I believe. It didn't come with the sticker. I'm missing my sticker. Okay, so that's all we got. And the total retail value is about $75, guys. And I paid maybe like half price of it, a little more with the shipping. But I feel like this subscription is something good, that you can actually try new products and see which one they work for you, and you can order in like a gallon sizes or the bigger sizes and just keep trying it. I'm really happy about this. I like this. I'm gonna be doing a review soon about some degreasers that I got, but that's for another video. Hey guys, sorry, it's me. I'm back. Sorry, my camera just died. But as I was saying, the Adams brush, I'll be doing a review about it. I really like it. I like the ergonomics. I like that it's a medium bristle brush, so you can use it actually on your rims. It won't damage it. It's not that softy that you have to like put all the force on it. So I will be doing a review on it. And please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for coming and watch my video. I really appreciate it. Let me know what else would you like me to review, and I will do it. Thank you guys.